What's up, world? It's your girl, Ghetto Hippie, in the house. So today I am going to show you guys how to make some food for your hubby or your kids or your boyfriend or your girlfriend, whoever it is. I'm gonna show you guys a recipe today that's like super easy. It's fulfilling. I'm in my kitchen, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. Today we are going to make buffalo fries. Not just buffalo fries with just, you know, the sauce on the fries. No. We're making buffalo fries with grilled chicken. So what you're gonna need, I'm gonna show you guys what you're gonna need. All right, so what you're gonna need is this Tyson grilled and ready oven roasted diced chicken breast. Okay, so you need this. You're gonna need some ranch, obviously. We have some buffalo wing sauce here, and we have honey and potatoes. So what we're gonna do with all this, I'm going to show you. All right, so here are some potatoes here. I'm gonna use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 potatoes that I'm gonna cut up into French fries. I have a potato peeler and my favorite knife that I love to use. I use this basically with like everything. As you can see, it's all jacked up, but this is my favorite knife to use for a lot of things that I have to cut up really fine. So what we're gonna do, some people like to use frozen French fries. For me, I like to use fresh fries. I don't know, just more filling to me, and we're already using other stuff to put in the microwave, so it's all good. But anyway, so you want to cut these up really fine, and we're going to show you how to do that. All right, so now I have cut the potatoes up. I left some water in there to get the excess dirt off. So now what you need to do as well is you need to preheat your stove. Put the oil in the stove like so. So make sure that the oil is preheating. It's on low. Make sure it's on low. And once you have it start to, you know, bubble up a little bit, you want to go ahead and add your fries. So that's what we're going to do now.
Few moments later.
So while that's cooking, now I am going to make the sauce. You don't have to prepare the chicken already because it's ready made. So you do that that's the very last thing you do. So we're gonna prepare the sauce for now. It's not even that hard. It's literally 1, 2, 3. So let me show you. All right, so you take the sauce. You're going to pour it into a bowl, like so. You pour as much as you'd like, or you know, whoever you're cooking it for. If you know how much, you know, heat they take, that's how much you pour in there. You're gonna take some honey, like so. And you don't want to put a lot, but you don't want to put too little either. You kind of want to make a little sweet heat thing going on. You just stir all of this together like this until you know that the honey's in there and you don't see it anymore. You're also going to warm this up in the microwave for 30 seconds. You don't want to do it too long because you don't want it to burn. So that's prepared. The next thing you want to do is you want to prepare how much chicken you want to put into your fries. Oops, sorry guys. I'm going to pour, yes, it's frozen. What's disgusting, doesn't it? Oh my gosh, so nasty, but it tastes so good. Okay, so you want to pour a good amount in there. Same thing, we're going to put this in the microwave as well. Again, this is a quick meal. It takes like maybe 15 minutes. What you want to cook this one in the microwave with a napkin over it. You want to cook it for, I would say, 1 minute and 30 seconds. If it's, you know, depending on the voltage of your microwave, or you want to do it on 2 minutes. But make sure you cover it up with a napkin so it doesn't dry out.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I don't
right, and we're gonna go on to the next step. Okay, so now the fries are golden brown. I went on and added some seasoning salt to the fries so they look like this. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna put them on a plate. Okay. You're going to go ahead and add your chicken. It's hot. Like that. Oops. Now you're going to just drizzle your sauce onto, literally drizzle. Remember, this is potatoes and it's going to soak in. Go ahead and add the rest of your chicken to the top. Like so. You can totally add cheese if you'd like. If not, you don't have to. I'm going to go ahead and put more sauce at the top. Like this. And I'm going to go ahead and add my ranch. Wait. Go ahead and drizzle your ranch on there like so. I'm running out. Everybody in this house freaking love ranch. And there you have it. Voila! Here are your buffalo chicken fries. Nice and easy, very fulfilling, and ready to eat. Literally takes only like maybe even I would give and take like maybe 15 minutes. You know, fries doesn't take very long to cook. You just want to make sure that they're golden brown. Make sure you have your seasoning and whatnot. And there you have it. Lunch is ready, dinner's ready, snacks ready, you know, whatever you want to make it for. Told you I was coming with you to you guys with the DIYs and the quick meal recipes. Here you have it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for all your support, you guys, on my road to hitting that 1K subs. Anyways, that concludes this video. Thank you so much again for you guys, you know, support. I really appreciate you guys. God bless. Peace.
¡Delicioso! ¿Sí, delicioso? ¡Sí, delicioso!
Bye.